Hello. How do you look behind ducts and obscured areas, behind engines and compressors, areas where you can't see? The video scope. We have Launch's video scope. It attaches to any of our tablets that have a USB port. Simply connect it to the top of the tablet. Open up your application, whether it's your Pad 3, Pad 2. Go to your apps. Hit the video scope. And you are on. So you take the video scope. You can look behind areas. So you get behind the dark area here. You can snap a picture. Say your car's been in a collision and there's damage and you need to get behind to see if there's other damage. Use this to look for parts where you can't get in with a flashlight or anything. You can shine the light, dim it, make it bright so you can see. Dark, bright. So now we're going to show you, this is a thinner cable as well. Most of our other cables are is 8.5 millimeters. Ours is 5.5 millimeters. Again, it's IP67 rated. Also, it's waterproof, so you can put it inside a camera, inside of water. No damage. Also comes with mirrors for you to change for applications. And for other tools, you have adapters for your USB to your Type-C or your micro SD. Thanks for watching, and please look for more launch videos to come at launchtechusa.com.